Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on stopping the touch keyboard from appearing on Windows 11. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. If the touch keyboard keeps appearing when you don't need it to, here is how to stop it from happening. From the Windows 11 desktop, go to the search bar at the bottom, search for Settings and then open them. In Settings, select Time and Language from the left sidebar. From there, select Typing. In Typing Settings, select Touch Keyboard to expand more options. Here in Touch Keyboard Settings, you'll see the option called Show the Touch Keyboard. Click the drop-down box beside it and change it to Never, or when no keyboard is attached. That draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Windows 11 tips and tricks.